What's going on, everybody? I wanted to take a couple of minutes in today's video to give a huge thank you to CryptoHopper. They have sent me a package, a little care gift, and I wanted to dedicate some time to unboxing this to show them my appreciation for what they've done for me. Stay tuned.
Nerdy dude stuff.
What's going on, everybody? I'm O'Prius up here. You can't see my chubby face, and welcome back to another video about Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, CryptoHopper, and all that good stuff. As in the intro stated, CryptoHopper, the guys the team over there sent me a little care package. I'm going to unbox it and go over it today, and then we're going to jump onto the computer and take a look at the settings and how CryptoHopper is going for me, just as a thank you video to the team for sending me this care package. Those of you keeping track at home, no drinks today, have work doing the overnight shift at the hotel, but we are drinking La Croix lime flavored water. So, cheers to you guys. Let's get this going. Let's start taking a look. Now, I folded this up, but the CryptoHopper team, they're based out of Amsterdam, and so this package had to go through customs and all that jazz to get to me here in the United States. So I do highly appreciate them sending this out. Let's take a look here, and let's pop this bad boy open. Now, all right, cool little box. First off, we've got a handwritten letter from the team at CryptoHopper, and it says, "Thanks for spreading the word. Here's a token of our appreciation. Cheers, Team CryptoHopper." And then it's got a little coin with the CryptoHopper logo. It says "Turn around." I appreciate that they use the pun token of their appreciation. Let's take a look at the coin here. Let's just rip it right up. I want to do this gently because when someone writes you a handwritten letter, that really, you don't want to. That's cool. I like the letterhead, and I'm going to cover up their address here. The letterhead, it says CryptoHopper and everything. Really appreciate that. So looking at the coin, I've always wanted to get one of these. On the very front, it's got the CryptoHopper logo, and then on the very back, it's got the golden Bitcoin. And I've been wanting to get a golden Bitcoin just to have a commemorative one for quite some time. So thank you very much, guys. I highly appreciate that. This is fantastic. I do like this a lot. I'll probably be keeping that on me at all times. And then looking here, we've got a very nice, and it's my size, perfect. Got a very nice, CryptoHopper hoodie. And you can see it's got the candles and everything. Going to the moon, I love this. That's an awesome little design. CryptoHopper logo, that's the front. Turning the hoodie over on the back. And it's got the CryptoHopper, the automated cryptocurrency trader, their logo. Fun little fact, here in Florida, we only have maybe 4 or 5 cold nights out of the year. So I really don't have any variety in sweaters or jackets other than like my New York Giants one. So this is awesome. I really do appreciate this, and I can wear something besides my New York Giants logo. But awesome, awesome. Thank you so much, guys. I'll probably put that on. You'll see that in videos. And what else we got? Oh, we have it's got stuff in it. We have a little CryptoHopper. Well, that's it for the box. We're gonna move the box away. You're gonna see my dirty footrest. We have a CryptoHopper backpack, little canvas backpack drawstring. This is great, especially for someone like myself. I got tape on my finger. Someone like myself and my wife, we go to Disney all the time, and Universal Studios all the time. And the last thing we want to do is carry a big, heavy backpack, so something like this is perfect. But looking in here, looks like we got some goodies going on. I hear some jingle jangle. Ooh, we've got a cool little mason jar. We got some more commemorative CryptoHopper coins, it looks like. Ooh, with a golden Bitcoin on the back. So I love these. These are awesome. Got 2 of those and a nice little mason jar. I love those coins. It's cool to see that CryptoHopper did these custom little gold coins. What else we got? We got some CryptoHopper bumper stickers. Maybe I'll do a giveaway on my channel for a couple of these if you guys if you're huge CryptoHopper fans like myself, get yourself some CryptoHopper swag. We'll leave it like that for now. What else? We got some cool CryptoHopper custom glasses. They've got the CryptoHopper logo on them. I don't know, we'll put these on. I don't know if this is my stylish shades, the Malibu style. I think my head's too chubby for them, but we'll put those on. You guys can be the judge. What else we got? We got a couple other doodads. Some pens, some CryptoHopper pens. Now, if only we can get my affiliate link on these. Some pens. I do like to take notes for my videos and everything like that. Got a couple of lanyards. A couple of CryptoHopper lanyards. I really like that they've got the CryptoHopper.com. It's got the candles with the moon logo and the kangaroo as well. Buy times. That's awesome. Got a couple of lanyards here. And then, and then it looks like we've got a rogue coin. Maybe I'll do a giveaway on one of these coins as well. In one of my next CryptoHopper videos as the market recovers. So overall, thank you very much, guys. I highly appreciate the care package. Definitely get some good use out of the hoodie and the lanyards and the pens and the bumper stickers. The backpack will be taken out to Disney. So with all that said, let's hop on the computer and actually take a look at the CryptoHopper platform. Alright guys, for the sake of this video not running too long, thank you very much for hanging out with me while I unpacked that package from CryptoHopper. Again, thank you very much to the CryptoHopper team for this. I really enjoy the hoodie. I'm trying to film this quick because it's right now the end of August in Florida in my hot office. I'll be sweating my buns off, but I'll be using this when it's a little colder. Anyway, just taking a quick look at CryptoHopper. I'm going to go into my settings, or let's go do a quick trade history. You can see up here. You can see here that I do have my my Kangaroo subscription going, so I will show my settings in just a moment. And then I have a quick other update that I'm going to be doing. We're going into our last few sales, and for the past about 3 days? It's the 25th. Yeah, for the past 3 days, right with this my triggers, we've had 3 sales. We've had 0.92%, 1.65%, 0.89%, and 2.11%, bringing me up from 0.009 Bitcoin roughly to 0.01 Bitcoin. You know, just a little bit making its way up. It's borderline printing money, but not as strong as it's going to be here in the near future. Going to go quickly to the dashboard. And this is just a brief overview. My current position I'm holding is NPXS. That was one of the signals that it took. But unfortunately, it's down 4%, which isn't too bad. Just hold on to it. And I have 40,000 of those tokens. So if that goes up 1 or 2%, like for the trailing stop loss, that's going to be fantastic. Don't pay no mind to the numbers over here. I haven't adjusted them since I've moved some. Like this number's fine, but the other ones I haven't adjusted since I've made some moves on the Bitcoin. So one of the benefits of the Kangaroo package, and I will be changing these settings shortly because the Venom Hopper settings will be out soon, and then the guys over doing the Venom Hopper settings are working on their Apex bot, and we'll be looking at that shortly, and they've been making some killer numbers. If you don't believe me, go onto my Discord. There's a link in the description for it, and they are posting their numbers as well. And so those Venom Hopper settings will be brought to CryptoHopper shortly, and you bet your buns I'm going to be implementing them. The only thing I have going on right now, if we go down to strategy, this is a benefit of the Kangaroo subscription. I have it on signals only. And what that is, it disables the TA strategy and follows signals only. So basically, since I am subscribed to the Mining Hamster, the Crypto Grower, and just Crypto Lion, these are people sitting in a room pumping out signals and reading the charts and getting paid to read the charts. And that's what I have the setting turned on, instead of like fine tweaking and tuning those numbers. And it has been bad because I haven't made any moves on CryptoHopper in about a couple of weeks, just because my holdings were so low. But once I put on those settings, those signals only, we've seen those moves in the past 5 days. So not a bad thing. If you haven't started with CryptoHopper, it's your first time seeing this, there is a free 30-day subscription to the base package that they're offering. I'm going to show that real quick. And normally I do a giveaway when I hit certain milestones on my channel for subscribers. I do giveaways or subscriptions. I do giveaways for the Hair Hopper here. So 30-day free Bunny Hopper trial in the link in the description. And then normally that's $20 a month. And then their middle range one is $50, and then the one that I'm using is $100 a month, and that gives me access to all coins for all signals, just if I'm feeling lazy or don't have any of my settings put in there. So anyway, thank you very much for watching this video, guys. Thank you very much to CryptoHopper for the swag box and the coins and the glasses and the hoodie and the pens and the stickers. So I do really appreciate it. It means a lot that you guys did send a box, a care package from Amsterdam through customs to the United States here in Florida. So I love being a part of CryptoHopper. I highly appreciate it. I can't say that enough. I feel like I got in early with CryptoHopper, and I've been very happy with the results. I've turned about 0.05 Bitcoin into 0.1 Bitcoin. I've already taken any of the Bitcoin that I put in, that I put out, so I can rebuild it and everything. It's just a fun little avenue. It's an automatic crypto trading bot that uses Binance, Bittrex, all that good stuff. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Getting long-winded and sappy here. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'm O'Price. We'll see you guys next time.